Philip here with Linkage Creations and Rentals. Today we're going to build a storage solution for those bench cookies we made in our last video. So I've grabbed some 4-inch diameter plumbing pipe, some PVC pipe, and we're going to try and work with some of the scraps we had from our last project for those bench cookies to try and retrofit a nice easy rack for those so we can mount them somewhere back here on this bench. I don't know if it's going to be up against one of these posts on the side here or something to that effect, but we're going to get it backed up on a piece of wood so that we can drill it into wherever we want it. So let's get right to this video and we'll have a great storage solution for all those cookies we just made. We start this project by using our bench cookies that we just made to support our workpiece. I've got that hole saw bit and drill I was using to cut these out, and I am going to drill another hole right here in the middle in between two of the circles to use as a base for the bottom of this storage solution. So right there is all the piece we need to start, or at least for this build. And this gives me a little option so I can get my finger behind. It'll be a great stop for those inside the 4-inch pipe. So we're going to use that piece as the base, but I want to pre-drill a couple of screws down, one on each side. I'm going to grab my drill. So I brought the pipe over to the miter saw, and I just want to cut an opening here along this side so I can pull the cookies out. In order to do that, I want to make sure I don't go all the way through this whole piece. So I've grabbed a 5-inch piece of block so I can use it as a stop block for the saw heading through the PVC pipe. So that got me just past about halfway on both sides. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to move down about 1.5 inches from where I was. So I was right at about 1 inch. And again, that sliced right above where that block is that we have in there. So that should be pretty good. I'll go down almost 2 inches here. Put my stop block in there again. And we should be pretty good here. Lined up pretty good, a little more than halfway through. And I'm going to grab my little multi-tool and cut that out. So that's all there is to it for the most part. It is ready to go, 2 feet long. What I might do is chop a little angle up here just so they're easier to feed in there. And that way I have another place I can get a drill to mount it to a backboard. Because right here I've got room to get a drill through here. That gives me plenty of room now so I can throw a bolt right there and mount to any block of wood. So I'm going to grab a spare piece of 2x6 or something like that, and we're going to mount it to that. So I didn't have a spare 2x6 laying around, but I did have this 1x6. So I'm going to mount this to that using some small 3/4 inch number 6 wood screws I had laying around. So I just need to drill a hole and then countersink it a little bit just to make sure it's out of the way of the cookies as they fall into place. And then do the same thing up here. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I just want enough in there. Hope you can see that. Not sure. Let's see if we can get a better angle. Just enough to countersink the screw head in there. And that's it, guys. Now I can mount it anywhere. I've actually got a spot here up on the wall. Probably just going to bolt it right up here. Right next to my workspace, maybe a little lower. Then I can drop my cookies in. And take them out as I need them. So I'm going to grab some longer screws and make that happen. And just like that, we've got our bench cookie storage sitting right there next to my workbench, right where I need it, where I can grab a cookie at any time, pull it out, and even if they come down a little sideways, I've got room to adjust them. And I can take them all out. So that's it, folks. That's all there is to it. You've got simple, easy bench cookie storage. Easy to grab, easy to put away. Right at your fingertips. Thanks for joining me in this video. Really easy to do. Handful of steps, making this bench cookie storage area easy to reach, easy to grab. Grab whatever you need out of this 4-inch diameter PVC pipe, right from the slot, head right out to your project. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Check out some of the other videos I've got. Otherwise, I'll see you for the next project.